Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I'm gonna show you this review. I also unboxed this FYC treadmill. This was purchased from Amazon and this was just $300. Amazing. So as you can see, I have assembled and it's nice that I could do it myself. No special technical knowledge is needed. You just need to read the manual and they have provided you all the accessories too. So it's like very simple. As you can see, everything you can do it on your own. So what as you see that I have taken this out. So how it was, this portion front panel, this was separated and these rails were connected. This connection you see, this is very important. After you fix, you got to do, and there are panels for screws and other adjustments as you see. So I was quickly able to do all that. It's nothing more that you need to do. You just follow the instruction book and they provide the Allen wrench too that you can use. And speed is in the miles per hour if you turn it on. Okay, now there are some numbers. What are these? Oh, so there are pre-speed numbers, like you can click on them, and then like I click 3, it went on 3 mile speed. Similarly we have 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now speed is in miles. Okay, speed is in miles, and you have I need to stop first. Program they have, mode also they have. Okay, so overall it's good and it's a very light. I ordered it from Amazon and luckily I got it covered through my insurance too, so I'm not gonna pay for it because I've got the reimbursement. That's good. Yeah, and you have some controls here on hand also, like start, stop, speed, up, down. Okay, that also you have on here. So this also you can do on your own when you use this treadmill, and from there it's gonna go through. So thanks for watching this video guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.